Words get trapped in my mind. Sorry, I don't take the time to feel the way I do. 'Cause the first day you came into my life, my time ticks around you. But then I need your voice, and to keep you unlock all the love that's trapped in me. So tell me when it's time to say I love you. All I want is you to understand that when I take your hand, it's 'cause I want to. We are all born in a world of doubt, but there's no doubt I figured out I love you. All I want is you to understand that when I take your hand, it's 'cause I want to. We are all born in a world of doubt, and there's no doubt I figured out I love you. I feel lonely for all the losers that will never take time to.
You know, they say life is short. They say you wake up one day and on that day, all of your dreams and everything you wished for and you wanted are gone just like that. You know? People get old and, you know, things change and situations change, and what I want is I want this moment right now, this day. And my feelings for you, the way you look right now, the way I look at you. I just want this to last forever, you know?
It will. I mean, no matter what, we've always had this and had each other. No, nothing can change that. But I just want you to know, no matter what, you always have somebody here for you. Always. I'm never gonna leave you. I'm never gonna leave you. I love you.
I know. I know.
Don't ever leave me.
I won't.
Don't ever leave me.
I won't.